Have you ever wondered about the benefits of a tune-up? What does the checklist really mean? Well, today we're going to go over a spring tune-up, but not just a regular tune-up, an AirCo tune-up, so you'll get to experience the AirCo difference. We will start at your indoor unit. We will inspect the condition of your ductwork, and we will also check that they are properly installed and sealed. We will also check your return plenum, supply plenum, boots and grills to make sure that your system is not leaking any air. Then we will check your wires and their condition to make sure that they don't have signs of burn marks or shorts between them and their connections. We will check all moving parts to make sure that they are properly secured. We will also inspect and test all the control boards, relays, sensors, and mechanical components in your system to make sure that they are reading and working properly. Then we will proceed to check the condition of your filter and evaporator coil to make sure that they are not restricting airflow, since this can potentially wear out your blower motor and cause you high electric bills. We will inspect your system cabinet to make sure that there is no signs of mold or any other buildup, since that can really affect your indoor air quality. Another important part of our AirCo spring tune-up is flushing your drain lines, since they can get clogged, causing water to back up to the system and rust your cabinets, as well as causing sealing damage. Inspecting and testing your outdoor system is another important part of our AirCo spring tune-up. We will start by removing the panels and inspecting the outdoor coil. Then we will go ahead and clean all the components inside of this compartment to get a good visual inspection of their condition, since this can really affect the performance of your system. These parts consist of capacitors, contactors, relays, sensors, and boards. Inspecting and testing the condition of the wires is very important, since they can affect the performance of your system. But most important, they can become a safety issue, and we want to make sure that your system is safe to operate whenever you need it. We want to make sure that they are reading properly, that they're not worn out or leaking. In this case, we found a shorted capacitor that caused the seal to break and start leaking. It's a good thing we caught it on time, since this can really shorten the life of your motor and cause a chain reaction that could end up in several major repairs. We will take additional readings to make sure that your motors are not using more than the energy required, because remember, part of an AirCo tune-up is system efficiency, and that's why we also check the pressures of the refrigerant inside of your system to make sure that you have the proper amount and that you have no leaks. And that will also tell us if your system is running efficiently. We will write down every reading that we get to give you a complete report at the end of our AirCo spring tune-up. Another very important part of our AirCo spring tune-up is cleaning your outdoor coil. Since this also affects the efficiency of your system, having a dirty coil increases the pressure. And remember, more pressure, more energy, and that will show up on your electric bill. This concludes our AirCo spring tune-up. And remember, it's all about efficiency and safety. We hope to service your system very soon.